Back calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they heard. Young got on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause and serve. Fucking this bitch like a bird.
Good morning, you guys. I was supposed to start my intro yesterday, but didn't start it. Hey you guys, it's your girl Synovia Consenza, and I'm back with another video. So I think you guys are going to spend 2 days with me, today and tomorrow. Today is Saturday, August the 12th. Yeah, it's kind of 12 o'clock. I'm finna get my day started. I didn't do nothing yesterday other than, anyways. So today, okay, so I'm gonna be cleaning my room today, doing some laundry and getting my life together, and going to see Mr. Sweetface later on. So let me go ahead and do my little errands in the house and then be outside. A bump update. Let's give it to you guys. So we are 17 weeks and 5 days. Yep, 17 weeks and 5 days. This is the bump update so far. So Monday I am 18 weeks. So yeah, I know. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this room. This room is, it's not a mess, it's just the pillows and then the basket of clothes, and then I just gotta make my bed and throw away my trash. I'm finna go see if I got any laundry in my wash or dryer.
You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. It's my love for my grandmother make me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, so you're breaking my heart in two.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet your down with champagne. Remember that.
Currently 4:09. I got sidetracked by putting a puzzle together that I should have did a long time ago of me and Mr. Sweetface, and I got this basket of clothes that I gotta do. So I'm finna do this right quick and shower. I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day. Do not judge me. When I wake up in the morning, I'm not hungry. So we're gonna feed this little baby, and that's just it. I'm gonna take a shower after I'm done doing my laundry, get dressed, head to where my boyfriend is at, and we're just gonna go from there. I'm gonna pick up this camera after I'm done with my laundry. I'm gonna leave this where it's at because I'm stressed out. I can't finish the puzzle. Like, it's not for me. So after I'm done with my laundry and my second load of laundry, I'm gonna shower, get dressed, and I'm gonna be heading out the door. And yeah, Okay, so I'm done showering. This is the fit. It's finna rain, but at least I'm done getting dressed and getting out of the shower. So I'm finna go grab me something to eat. I gotta run to Tarjay and wrap up this gift for my homegirl, and we'll go from there. Besides getting rained on, I just left out of Target. These are the gifts. Oh. I got the gifts here, and I bought some onesies for her. I'm gonna mount up this camera. Yeah, so I'm finna wrap up her gift. So I got this pink gift bag. It's very cute. I got some the tissue paper. So the onesie, the cute little onesie. Well, I think they're onesies, right? Long sleeve onesies for newborns. I also got her some bows, and that's about it from the Target bag. And then like the bow, I got hair all over this. Okay, so this here I got it from Amazon. It's like a bow holder. It's like it holds all the bows. I'll pop up the picture. And this is I think it says don't kiss me or something, or don't touch me, your germs are too big for me. Yeah, too big for me. It goes over the car seat. I got one for my baby too, so because you're not, don't do that, don't kiss my baby. I'm gonna go grab something to eat because it's 6:11. Dang, I totally forgot to even update you guys, but I just got done eating Panda Express. I demolished that. It's currently 7:08. Drop off the gift to Jordan. Child, it's still raining. Like,
I'm looking for the with honors. So you know how to talk right here.
Keep talking.
No.
Keep talking.
Nope.
Oh no. I'm showing everybody how you talk to me.
Oh. You wanna show them how you talk, but don't nobody know how you